In this lesson, we'll work on adding that extra style to the visual. Power BI has great customization options to make your chart stand out, so let's make it happen.
If you look back at the visualization pane, you'll see there are three icons at the top: the build visual icon, the format visual icon, and the analytics icon. We'll focus on the format icon for now. When you click on it, you'll see Visual and General tab. Under Visual tab, let's start with changing the color of our bar chart. If you go down, you'll see that there's a section called Bars. We'll expand it. Now we can see the colors option. You can select from the pre-given choices that you have in front of you, or you can enter the hex code of the color of your choice. Let's make it vibrant for Mr. Boss. I have a color in mind, so I'll enter the hex code for that color over here. And voila! The color of the bars of our chart has been changed. Now, to make our chart even more readable, let's add data labels. You'll see the data labels option. Let's expand it, and this will display the various customizations we can do to our data labels. Let's start by turning the labels on first. This will display the actual sales numbers at each point on the bar. To make it consistent, let's set the labels to be outside the bar. We can do it by clicking on Position under Options and selecting Outside End. Now you will see the numbers for New York State are also aligned outside the bar. Next, let's give this chart a proper title. Head over to the Journal section. You'll see a Titles option over here. Expand this. Under this, we'll again see a title section. We'll expand it further. Here you will see a text box with the title that Power BI had created automatically. We are going to replace this with a more suitable title. Let's say Total Sales by State. And now we can see the updated title in the visual. If you look below, there is an alignment option. So let's center align our title. And with that, it has shifted to the center. Now that we have a descriptive title, we can get rid of our x-axis and y-axis titles. So now let's go back to the visual section. Here you will see y-axis and x-axis. Let's start with y-axis. If you expand the drop-down, you'll see a title option. Let's turn off the toggle. And see, the title from y-axis is gone. Similarly, for x-axis, we'll expand that section and turn off the title. And that's it.
Whoa, this looks neat.
Glad you liked it. This is just the start, and knowing your love for pies, let's take it up a notch and add a pie chart to the mix.
Oh, you know me too well, Shreya. If there's a pie involved, I'm all in. Let's do this.
This time we want to see category-wise share of units sold. We'll go with the pie chart for this. We'll go ahead and select pie chart from our visuals. Once the blank chart is on the screen, we will go ahead and add quantity field from order details table from data pane into values section. This field has the quantity of products sold. You will see the pie show the number of all products sold, which is around 6,000 as per the visual. To split it by categories, we need to add category field into legend. Now you can see the pie has been split into 3 categories. Let's look at the customization options for it now. If we go into our format window, we'll see legend section. So that is the section where you can customize your legends. As you can see, the legend is set on the center right, and we can see that on the visual. Next is the slices. Here you can see and customize the colors of different categories. Next up is the detail labels. Same as the previous chart, we can customize our data labels from here. For now, it has been set to data value and percent of total. Let's change it to category and percent of total. Okay, now you will see that your data label shows the category name and the percentage. You can also alter how the value look on the data label. Let's expand the value section. Here you will see different options to customize your values. Let's change the percentage decimal places to 0. And now you will see the percentage values as a whole number. Now that we have the categories in our detail labels, we can go ahead and turn off the legends. To do that, we can simply turn off the toggle that is beside legend in our visual section. Okay, now let's head to the journal tab to change the title. If you expand title and then expand the title option again, you'll see the text box. Let's replace it with product sold percentage by category. And now that the title is changed, let's center align it. We will go to the alignment option and click on the center align button. And that's it. Our second visual is ready and customized.
We now have two stunning visuals that are both polished and impactful, showcasing your data with clarity and style. Next, we'll unlock the ability to control and refine your data.